Good morning, student.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you.
How are you, sir?
I am fine. Okay. Let's we start our session. So what we discussed in last lecture? Anybody?
About matrix, sir.
Yes, about the matrix and its introduction. Okay. So
Yes.
what we discuss in matrix?
Up to sub matrix or
Okay, up to submatrix. Okay, so I repeat it because if there is a new student, then I repeat it. So we start with the our topics name of unit 3 matrix algebra 1. Okay, these are the topics which we will learn in this unit. So I start introduction. So first we go for the
matrix.
definition of matrix. Okay, so we start with that. Then whatever we know that what is the denotation part of matrix, there are you can indicate with two way. Okay, box and simple bracket matrix. So you can denote it by Aij m cross n, Aij m cross n. Then types of matrices are there: row matrix, column matrix. Okay, then square matrix, null matrix means all entries are zero. Then triangular matrix, this is new for you, so I introduce again. So upper triangular means if you have the matrix, for example, yes, if you have the matrix like this 1 4 minus 3 0 0 5 0 0 2. So if you focus on the diagonal elements and upper side elements, so all elements upper side of the diagonal will be non-zero and below the diagonal all elements will be zero. So this type of form is known as the upper triangular because यहाँ पे upper side पे triangle बन रहा है. Okay, तो इसको बोलेंगे upper triangular. Mathematical definition is here: aij is equal to 0 for I greater than j. And same way you can define for lower triangular, that means j greater than I होगा तब सारी एंट्री जीरो हो जाएगी. तो यू कैन create lower side below the diagonal. Okay, so this is the lower triangular form. Then diagonal matrix, आपको पता ही है कि diagonal एंट्री के अलावा सारी एलिमेंट जो है वो जीरो होने चाहिए. देन स्केलर मैट्रिक्स, स्केलर मैट्रिक्स में क्या होगा कि जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स है, डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स है, उसमें सभी जो 3 4 या 5 या 100 जितने भी है वो सारे एलिमेंट्स सेम होने चाहिए. दैट मीन्स इन दिस वे 1 1 2 is equal. Okay, if you have m cross m square matrix, diagonal matrix. Then identity matrix means all diagonal elements must be 1. Okay, so then you can say that it is scalar identity matrix. We denote it by im as we discussed in last lecture. So sub matrix भी आपके लिए नया है. Anybody can explain about sub matrix या भूल गए?
Sir, elementing rows and columns or rows or
Yes.
columns from a
Yes,
matrix.
very good. That means if you have the matrix like this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I remove first column, second row, and third column, sorry, fourth column, then what I have 2, 3, 10, 11. So this is my sub matrix of the given matrix. Okay, so this type of concepts we already discussed. Then equality of two matrices. So when we can say that two matrices are equal,
M
anybody?
cross n is equal if order of a matrix is equal.
Yes, means
Equal to
we
P.
have, yes, anybody?
M equals to P and N equals to Q.
Good. Only that.
Sir,
All the elements are also equal in rows and columns.
Yes. So that means we have two criteria for equality. You have to go through the order of the matrix. That means दोनों का order same होना चाहिए. And second condition is सभी एंट्री रिस्पेक्टिव जो एंट्रीज है वो सारी सेम होनी चाहिए. ओके, देन यू कैन से दैट द टू मैट्रिसेस आर इक्वल. ओके, देन एडिशन यू नो अबाउट इट. ओके, सो पहले तो ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए और तब जाके आप एडिशन कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस भी किया था a प्लस बी. ये हो गया था या बाकी था?
हो गया था सर.
हो गया था.
सर मल्टीप्लिकेशन से बात
गया था.
थैंक यू. सो प्रॉपर्टीज मींस ए बी सी आपके पास है. तो एडिशन की प्रॉपर्टी था a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू बी प्लस ए. कॉम्पिटिटिविटी एसोसिएटिविटी मींस a प्लस बी, गेम ऑफ ब्रैकेट. ओके, सो a प्लस बी प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू a प्लस सी. देन वी गो multiplication is constant k into a is equal to k into aij m cross n. Okay, so if you have matrix A, then you can find 2a through the scalar multiplication. Then properties of the scalar multiplication: k1a plus b is equal to k1a plus k1b, k1 plus k2a is equal to k1a plus k2a. Then k1 k2a is equal to k1 bracket k2a plus k2 k1a. Okay, we already discussed all these things in first lecture. Okay, this is our second lecture. Okay, is there any doubt in up to here?
हो सर.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay,
No, sir.
then we go for the matrix multiplication. तो matrix multiplication के बारे में किसी को पता है? Anybody know about the matrix multiplication? I think all who know about the matrix multiplication, but what is the definition for that? Anybody?
Multiplication of row and column.
मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ रो एंड कॉलम, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं सीधा?
Multiply all row and column.
ओके, चल मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव 1 2 4 5 एंड आई हैव 1 0 1 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6. So is it possible to multiply this matrix?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
And columns are not matching.
What that is not same.
हाँ, तो पहले आपने क्या चेक किया? तो पहला स्टेप वही करना है आपको कि इसकी जो नंबर ऑफ रोज है, सॉरी नंबर ऑफ कॉलम है, और इसकी जो नंबर ऑफ रो है वो मैच तो होना चाहिए ना, तब जाके मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा ना. तो दैट इज द फर्स्ट क्राइटेरिया. तो यहाँ पे देखो, लेट a इज इक्वल टू aij m क्रॉस n एंड b इज इक्वल टू bij p क्रॉस q, देन द प्रोडक्ट इज पॉसिबल ओनली इफ n इज इक्वल टू p. n इज इक्वल टू p मींस the number of column of first matrix equal to the number of row of second matrix. Okay, so if it is there, then you can talk about the matrix multiplication. Otherwise you cannot talk about the matrix multiplication. And if both are equal, then the matrix multiplication can be defined as a into b is equal to ai1 into b1j plus ai2 into b2j and so on ain into bnj for m cross p. जो भी हमको मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा वो m cross p होगा. If you put I and j 1 1, then you got first row first element. If you put I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2, then you will get your second element. That means like this: first element I equal to 1, j equal to 1, second I equal to 1, j equal to 2 and so on. Clear? So you will get like this. और ये इन जनरल डेफिनेशन है. आप जो करते हैं वो सिंपल 3 क्रॉस 3 के लिए वो हम डिस्कस करते हैं अभी. ओके, a into b का ये अनदर फॉर्म है समेशन वाला. ओके, समेशन मींस एडिशन. तो समेशन कैसे होगा? फर्स्ट आई रिमूव दिस so you can see very well. Yes, is it visible clearly?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So summation k is equal to 1 to n aik into bkj m cross p. Okay, so यहाँ पे summation आ गया. तो ये हमने जो बार बार इंडेक्स लिखना पड़ता था वो नहीं लिखना पड़ेगा. This is the another alternative form of a into b. Then okay, चलो इसका प्रोडक्ट फाइंड करो. a is equal to 1 0 minus 2 0 3 2 and b is equal to 5 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 3. Okay, find out the product of these two matrices. Give me your answer.
Sir,
Yes.
the
Seven
matrix will be of the matrix will be of 2 cross 2, and
Yes.
the elements inside are 7 minus 6 4 0.
Yes. Okay. How many students got this answer?
Me, sir, Divyang.
Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Very
I
good.
got this answer.
Okay.
Me,
Okay.
sir.
Me also.
Answer.
I am
Me,
Sir Avinash.
Me also,
Me
sir.
also.
You can
Me,
raise
sir.
your hand. You can raise your hand. I can see here. Okay. No problem. Okay. Okay. 36 student got this answer. Very good. Okay. That means you know about the matrix multiplication. Okay. Still student are doing it. Okay. No problem. Okay. Then next part is. Please put your mic, student. Please. I. Okay. So next part. Yes. Next part is our properties of that multiplication. Okay. This is your answer. 7 minus 6 4 0. Am I right? Okay. So next is the properties. What are the properties for simple multiplication? Okay. So let A is equal to Aij, n cross n matrix, and B is equal to Bij, n cross P matrix, and C is equal to Cij, P cross Q matrix. So B3 matrices, then A into BC is equal to AB into C. So this is the associativity for simple multiplication. Okay, किसी को ऐसा है कि इसका आंसर नहीं मिला है? Anybody? I can explain here. सबको मिल गया है. Okay, I consider it. Anybody who do not get this answer, please raise your hand if you have. Otherwise, you can raise down. Anybody? Khushi, yes. What is the problem? Okay, okay. She has no.
I got the answer. I just did it.
Okay, okay. Okay, that means all students get this answer. Okay, the property, first property is associativity. Okay, second property is distributive, means you can distribute the multiplication of A over B and C. That means AB plus AC find karo or simply A into B plus C karo, both have the same answer. Okay, this is the very well known property of the multiplication and it will ask in GATE examination sometimes also. So AB not equal to BA. तो AB not equal to BA, तो उसका एग्जाम्पल यहीं पे है हमारे पास. यू कैन ट्राई फॉर दिस. आपने AB फाइंड किया है. नाउ थिंक अबाउट द B into A. चलो B into A फाइंड करो पहले. So 1 0 minus 2, sorry, that is my A. Yes, it is A. So 5 0 2 minus 2 minus 1 3, and here I have 0 minus 2 0 3 2. सबसे पहले तो क्या चेक करेंगे कि प्रोडक्ट पॉसिबल है कि नहीं. तो व्हाट इज द order of this matrix? So this is 3 cross 2 matrix and this is the 2 cross 3 matrix. Okay, so the column of the first matrix and the row of this second matrix both are same, so you can find B into A. So what is the answer? Anybody?
Yes, sir. I have answer.
Yes, please.
Sir, matrix is 3 cross 3
Okay. Yes, you are
and
right.
answer is 5 0 minus 10
5 0 minus 2
2 minus 6 minus 8.
2 2 minus 6.
No, sir. 2 minus 6 minus 8.
2
Okay.
minus 6 minus 8.
Okay. 1 minute. 2
Minus 8
8
minus 1
9 8.
9 4.
9 4. ओके, और ये -6 है प्लस 6 है?
Minus 6.
ओके. एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दिस आंसर?
Sir, 8 with curve.
सर 4 की जगह 6 आएगा.
8 आएगा.
8 आएगा.
8 आएगा सर.
8 आएगा.
8
8
8 will
आएगा
come at last.
Okay. 8 is right, I think.
Yes.
Yes 8 8.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
5 0 minus 10, 2 minus 6 minus 8, minus 1 9 8. Okay. So what I want to say here, 3 cross 3, the output of BA. And A into B अगर आप find करते हो तो we have the 2 cross 2. So you can say that both are not equal to. Am I right? Okay. So in general, we have AB not equal to BA, and simple example is also here. A is equal to 1 1 0 1 and B is equal to 0 1 1 0, and if you find B into A and A into B, then both have the different answer. Okay, so this is the property of the multiplication. Now talk about the transpose क्या होता है? You know very well.
Row column interchange.
Rows into column and column into row.
If you interchange every row into column, then you say that it is the transpose of that original matrix. Okay, so here A is equal to Aij, M cross N is A dash. That means A dash indicates the transpose, and another form is A raised to T. Okay, both are the notation for the transpose. Okay, so A dash is equal to Bij N cross M, where Bij is equal to Aji, means J indicates the column and I indicates the row. So Aji is the interchanging between row and column. Okay, so this is the transpose. The notation is A transpose. So if you have A is equal to 2 1 3 and 1 3 minus 2, and if you want to find the A transpose, so A dash is equal to 2 1 1 3 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is the transpose. Then trace. Anybody have the idea about the trace of a matrix?
Trace is the sum of diagonal elements.
Yes, very good. Sum of the principal diagonal elements. Okay, दो diagonal है हमारे पास, लेकिन जो principal diagonal है उसका अगर हम addition करेंगे, it indicates the trace. Okay, so trace of a matrix A is equal to Aij M cross N is A11 plus A22 up to son AMN. Okay, so this is the trace, and the notation for trace is TR capital A. Okay. Example is here. Let A is equal to 1 7 minus 2 minus 2 4 2 3 1 3. If you find trace of A, then it is nothing but 1 plus 4 plus 3. Okay, so 1 plus 4 plus 3 is nothing but 8. Okay, तो ये डायगोनल आपको नहीं लेना है, आपको कौन सा लेना है? प्रिंसिपल डायगोनल. ओके, सो कीप इन योर माइंड. डन. ओके, any confusion in transpose and trace?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you. Then we go for the determinant. Okay, so up to here we discuss about the matrix. Now we are going to discuss about the determinant. So determinant 2 cross 2 matrix अगर आपके पास है तो how to find the determinant? So it is nothing but the cross. So A11 into A22 minus A12 into A22. Clear? सॉरी यहाँ पे भूल हो गया है, यहाँ पे A21 आएगा. So A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12. So this is the determinant of the 2 cross 2 matrix A. Clear? And you can define also same way for the 3 cross 3. So if you have A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. तो हम इसका डिटर्मिनेंट कैसे निकालते हैं? एनीबॉडी? यहाँ पे आंसर तो है ही, लेकिन व्हाट इज द टेक्निक?
Take the row or column with maximum zeros.
मैक्सिमम जीरोस, वो तो कन्वर्ट के बाद की बात कर रहे हैं ना आप?
Yes, sir.
लेकिन यही एग्जाम्पल, यही है मेरा मैट्रिक्स, तो हाउ आई कैन सॉल्व दिस मैट्रिक्स फॉर डिटर्मिनेंट?
सर कोई भी स्पेसिफिक एलिमेंट के लेकर उसके अलोंग वो रो और कॉलम को डिलीट करके जो 4 एलिमेंट्स बच्चे उसका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करना रहता है.
Yes, very good, very good. That means you are doing that. For example, I want to solve or I want to find the determinant through first row. Okay, first row को अगर आप concentrate कर रहे हैं तो क्या होगा? मैं A11 लिखूंगा, उसके बाद एक छोटा मैट्रिक्स, then A12 लिखूंगा, उसका दूसरा एलिमेंट है वो, उसके बाद एक छोटा डिटर्मिनेंट, then A13 लिखूंगा और उसके पास छोटा मैट्रिक्स, सॉरी छोटा डिटर्मिनेंट. ओके, अब उससे पहले मुझे बीच में प्लस माइनस तो रखना पड़ेगा. सो आई डिसाइड प्लस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस, एंड यहाँ पे हो जाएगा प्लस माइनस प्लस इन दिस वे. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्लस, दिस इज द माइनस एंड प्लस. देन हाउ आई फाइंड दिस determinant? So you delete the row and column of that element. That means if you delete first row, first columns, and what we have A22, A23, then A32, A33. Okay, and minus A12 into if you remove the first row and second column, then we have A21, A23 and A31, A33. ओके, एंड फॉर A13 कौन बताएगा? चलो A13 के लिए क्या होगा?
A21,
A21, A22,
A31,
A31,
A32, minus A22, A31.
A32.
Very good, very good. So now I have the 2 cross 2 determinant. Okay, तो I can easily solve by above method. So सीधा आपको क्या करना है? क्रॉस करना है. तो देखो यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट आया वो फर्स्ट डिटर्मिनेंट का सॉल्यूशन है, जो ये सेकंड आया वो सेकंड का है, एंड थर्ड के लिए थर्ड. देन दैट इज योर डिटर्मिनेंट फॉर 3 cross 3 मैट्रिक्स. एनी कंफ्यूजन अप टू हियर?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No confusion,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Okay, thank you for your confirmation. Okay, अब what do you mean by minor? Minor क्या है? Anybody? Minor.
Co-factor.
माइनर के बाद कोफैक्टर आएगा बेटा, पहले माइनर.
એલિમેન્ટ વાઇઝ હોય, જે એલિમેન્ટ નું કાઢવું હોય ને એનો રો અને કોલમ લખી દેવાનો, અને બીજા જે 4 એલિમેન્ટ રહે એનો માઇનર કહેવાય.
यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. तो यहाँ पे जो हमने किया ना, ये प्रोसीजर जो किया, दैट इज नथिंग बट माइनर ऑफ A11. क्लियर?
Yes, yes.
और ये जो है माइनर ऑफ A12, दिस इज द माइनर ऑफ A13. तो यही का यही डेफिनेशन है माइनर के लिए. दैट मींस लेट Aij n cross m matrix be a square matrix. Okay, then the minor of an element AST, I am writing here general AST, that means a row and teeth column. Okay, the element of S row and teeth column is the determinant of some matrix formed by eliminating S number की रो and teeth number की column, and we denote it by MST. So if I want to find the minor of 3 3, okay, so what is that? Anybody? मुझे A33 का मुझे माइनर चाहिए तो मुझे क्या करना है, वो रो एंड कॉलम
A11, A12,
A11, A12, A21, A22.
यस, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट अबाउट द M23? M23 क्या होगा?
A11,
A11,
A11, A12, A31, and A32.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. ओके, थैंक यू. तो यहाँ पे माइनर इस हिसाब से हो जाएंगे. ओके, एनी कंफ्यूजन इन माइनर?
no sir.
No,
No
sir.
No, sir.
Then if you define minor, then there is another related concept is cofactor. Okay, so what do you mean by cofactor?
That is denoted by A and it is just a minor with having sign.
With having sign. Okay, that means
-1 column number plus row number.
yes, you are right. So here if you want to find the cofactor of AST, तो आपको सिंपली क्या करना है, -1 raised to S plus T into minor of that element. Okay, so if I have the minor of A23, okay, that means अभी हमने डिस्कस किया A11, A12 and second is A31, A32. So if I multiply this minor -1 raised to 2 plus 3 -1 raised to 2 plus 3 and this is nothing but my cofactor, okay, of A23. Done? Clear? Any confusion in cofactor?
No sir.
No sir.
It is
No,
denoted
sir.
by
No sir.
CST. It is denoted by CST. That means in our case it is the capital C23. Okay, so this is the cofactor. Okay, so we have the determinant, minor and cofactor. Okay, then in general what is the definition for determinant of M cross M matrix? क्योंकि हमने जो आगे डिस्कस किया वो तो 2 cross 2 and 3 cross 3 के लिए था. Now what about the M cross M? So this is the definition for M cross M matrix. So let A is equal to Aij be a square matrix, then the determinant of A is क्या होगा, देखो A11 C11 plus A12 C12 up to son. Clear? A1M C1M. And we denote it by determinant of A. This is the symbol for that. आप दोनों में से कोई भी आप यूज कर सकते हो, determinant DETA or absolute value of A. Okay, so what are the properties for that? So properties for that are, number 1, determinant of A into B is equal to determinant A into determinant of B. Okay, तो यहाँ पे गेट में भी ये पूछा जा सकता है. ओके, पूछा जाता है शायद, मैंने देखा था एक पेपर में. ओके, सो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू बी ऑलवेज होता है. आपको कंफ्यूजन करने के लिए क्या देंगे, यहाँ पे नॉट करके दे देते हैं. ओके, और स्टूडेंट विल कंफ्यूज्ड फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉपर्टी, सो कीप इन योर माइंड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ऑलवेज डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए इंटू डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ बी. देन सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी इज, कौन बताएगा व्हाट इज दिस? What is this property? Number 2 को कौन समझ पाया?
Symmetric.
Sorry?
Skew symmetric determinant.
No. It is not like this. If you attend first lecture, then this is nothing but the upper triangular.
Triangular, upper triangular.
Okay, upper triangular form है ये. So if you want to find the determinant of upper triangular form, then you have to only multiply the principal diagonal elements. That means A11, A22, A33 and AMM. That is the value of determinant of upper triangular matrix. Don't bother about the other entries. Okay, so this is the determinant. Okay, then in same way we can define for the lower triangular matrix. Okay, so this is your lower triangular matrix, and if you want to find the determinant for that lower triangular matrix, it is nothing but the multiplication of the elements of principal diagonal. So A11, A22, A33 and so on, AMM. Clear? So any confusion in property number 2 and 3?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Thank you. Then in statement, okay, in word form, the determinant of a triangular matrix is the product of all its principal diagonal entries. Okay. Fourth property, कौन बताएगा? What is the meaning of property number 4?
If determinant की रो को
One by one.
डिटर्मिनेंट की रो चेंज करते हैं तो उसका वैल्यू माइनस हो जाती है.
Yes. Okay. Okay. That means if you change, or sorry, not change, if you interchange two rows of any matrix, and if you want to find the determinant of that, then it will be differ by minus sign. Am I right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means minus determinant of, हमने यहाँ पे देखो Q थ्रो जो था वो हमने P थ्रो में रख दिया, एंड जो P थ्रो था उसको हमने Q थ्रो में रख दिया. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो AQ1, AQ2 अप टू सन एंड AP1, AP2. सो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई -1. इफ यू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज 2 times, then you have to multiply by -1 raised to 2. That means plus. If you do this exercise 3 times, then you have to multiply by -3 times. Okay. Any confusion in this property?
No, sir.
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 Good. Here
No, sir.
P not equal to Q and P throw and Q throw are interchanged, then the sign will be changed. Okay. Then fifth property, anyone? What is the meaning of fifth property?
Scalar multiplication of a determinant.
Scalar multiplication of the determinant means if you have the matrix like this, okay, means one row is multiplied by common factor, okay, k. So if you want to find the determinant of this type of matrix, then you have to multiply k outside. That means k into determinant of original matrix. Then both have the same answer. Clear? Okay. अगर आपको example दूँ तो simple. If you have the matrix 2, 4, and if you find the determinant of this matrix, that means A is equal to this, the determinant of A. So आपको क्या करना है? Simply 2 को बाहर रख दो and determinant of 1 minus 1, 1, 2 कर दो. This is the answer for that. Clear? क्या आएगा? 2 minus plus 1, that means 6. Clear? Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so we go for the property number 6. Okay, anybody can explain about property number 6?
सर दिस इज पहले हमें एक रो में कुछ मल्टीप्लाई करके फिर उसे ऊपर की रो में ऐड किया.
गुड, वेरी गुड. और उसका डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड किया, है ना?
हाँ.
ओके,
तो वो सेम ही रहेगा.
दोनों का आंसर सेम ही रहेगा. ओके, हाँ, इफ यू डू एनी रो ऑपरेशन विद द ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स इन दिस फॉर्म, ओके, देन द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ दैट टू मैट्रिसेस विल बी सेम. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया कि AQ1, दैट मीन जो Q थ्रो था उसको मैंने K से मल्टीप्लाई किया और उसको P थ्रो में ऐड किया. Okay, so if you do this row operation in given matrix and find out the determinant, then it is the same as the determinant of the original matrix. Clear? Any confusion in property number 6, student?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is in word form. Here P throw is replaced by multiplying, one minute, yes, multiplying Q throw by K and adding to it. That means if a row is replaced by multiplying another row by number and add it to that row, then the determinant remains unchanged. Okay, this is in word form, sentence form. Okay, then 7th number property, ये तो आपको सबको पता है ना? In a matrix, if two rows are equal, and what is the determinant of that matrix?
0.
0. Okay.
Zero.
Zero.
One of the property of determinant. Then in a matrix, if one row is 0, then also determinant will be 0.
Yes.
Zero.
Okay.
Yes.
Zero.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ninth property is determinant of k into a. तो यहाँ पे देखो, ये थोड़ा ध्यान रखने की बात है कि k into a, तो k into a मीन्स क्या हुआ? स्केलर मल्टीप्लीकेशन. लेकिन मैट्रिक्स में k into a क्या होगा? तो हर एक एलिमेंट से k मल्टीप्लाई होगा ना? यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे जो भी
Yes,
होगा
sir.
एलिमेंट उसके साथ k मल्टीप्लाई हुआ होगा. तो जब आप डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड कर रहे हो, तो जो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी थी कि हम कांस्टेंट को कोई एक रो है तो एक बार कॉमन निकाल सकते हो, तो यहाँ पे तो कितनी सारी रो होंगी? इन जनरल हमारे पास m क्रॉस m मैट्रिक्स है, तो m रो होंगी, तो k रेज टू m आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एंड यू कैन फाइंड द सिंपली द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ओरिजिनल मैट्रिक्स आल्सो. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Property number
Yes, sir.
10. Okay. Then 10th property, determinant of A and determinant of A transpose both are same. Okay, means if you find the transpose of that matrix and find determinant, and if you find the direct determinant of A, then both have the same answer. Okay, so there are 10 property for determinant. I quickly repeat it so you can see here. Okay, this is the property number 1, determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Then the determinant of upper triangular and lower triangular matrix. Then we go for the, if you interchange the two rows, then what is the change in the determinant? Then if you multiply any row by constant k, then what is the change? Then 6 properties, if you multiply any row by constant k and add it into another row, then the determinant will not change. Then 7 properties, if you have the two rows are equal, then the determinant is 0, and if you have matrix with 0 row or column, then the determinant is also 0. Then if you have the determinant of k into a, then it is nothing but k raised to m into determinant of a, and determinant of a and determinant of A transpose both have the same answer. Okay, any confusion up to here, student?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So remark is that whatever we do in 10th property with the row, you can do with the column also. That is the remark. So property number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are also true if the term row की जगह पे अगर आप column लेते हो, then it is also true. Clear? Row is replaced by column, then it is true. That means अगर आप देखेंगे तो हमारा जो अभी यस ये जो है कि हमने यहाँ पे बोला कि in a matrix if one row is 0, तो what about the column? अगर मेरे पास एक कॉलम 0 है तो क्या होगा? It is also 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the remark for 10 property. Okay, now we go for the example. चलो इसका डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करके दो मुझे. 1 minus 2 3 0. What is the determinant of this?
6.
minus 6.
Minus 6.
पक्का minus
6.
6.
6.
Plus
6.
6.
Please
Plus
post,
6.
plus
Plus
please
6. Plus
post
6.
your answer in chat box. Post your answer in chat box. Very good, very good. Wow. Yes, I think all have the same answer, 6. Okay, so here the answer is 6. Second, so find out the determinant of 1 minus 2 3, 1 minus 1 2 and 2 1 3, and please write down your answer in chat box only. Okay, कोई बोलेगा नहीं, chat box में आप टाइपिंग कर सकते हो. ओके, आई गेट योर आंसर फ्रॉम चैट बॉक्स ओनली. ओके, चलो फाइंड करके दो. कोई था 2 वाला, कौन था? ओके, करण. Yes, means this matrix. Okay, for this matrix. Okay, for this matrix your answer is 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, there are 3 answers. 2, 4, 6. Oh my god. Minus 1. Wow.
2 2.
3. Oh, कितने सारे आंसर आए. इतने सारे आंसर होते हैं डिटर्मिनेंट के. इज इट डिटर्मिनेंट यूनिक और नॉट? डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू एक ही होगा या मोर देन 1 वैल्यू होगा? एनीबॉडी? वैल्यू एक ही होगा या मोर देन 1 होगा डिटर्मिनेंट का?
एक ही होगा सर.
एक ही होगा.
तो ये केस में तो कितने सारे आपके वैल्यू आ रहे हैं. किसी का -1 आ रहा है, किसी का 2 आ रहा है, 1 आ रहा है, 6 आ रहा है, 4 आ
करेक्ट
रहा है.
आंसर इज 2.
Sir, correct.
2 is correct, sir.
2 is correct, sir.
We will discuss.
2 is correct.
I know. We will discuss here. Okay, you can see here the correct answer we can get here. So 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 1. Okay, this is your first element. Then minus into minus 2. 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2. This is your for second element. And plus 3 into bracket 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2. You can verify here. Okay, so we have 1 into minus 5, minus 2 into minus 1, and plus 3 into 3 after solving the bracket. The next term is minus 5 minus 2 plus 9, and it gives the answer 2. Okay, so जिसका भी 2 आ रहा है वो राइट है, और बाकी के लोग प्लीज मैच योर सॉल्यूशन विथ माय सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो एनी प्रॉब्लम? किसी को नहीं मिल रहा है वैसा है कि अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then find out the determinant for this matrix. 4 cross 4. Okay, do quickly. Yes, sir. Please yourself. Yes, thank you. Anybody got the answer? Please post your answer in chat box. इतना ज्यादा टाइम लगता है? It is easy because you have to solve only 2 and 3. Okay, 2 element only. Anybody get the answer? minus 26 minus 120. Okay, okay, good, good, good. Then any other answers are there? Minus 56. I am expecting. Yes. And any other? सबको करना है हाँ? You have to solve it. Yes, 23. Nice. So we have more than one answer. So who is right or wrong? You can verify here. No issue. Okay. So yeah, yes, minus 120 again. Yes, minus 76. Oh, new answer is there. Okay, no problem. So you can verify here. Please look at here, everybody. So determinant of 2, 0, 0, 3, 4 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1 and 0 minus 4, 0, 7. So first I concentrate on 2 only. So 2 into the minor of that. So what is my minor? Minus 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 minus 4, 0, 7. Okay. Then 0 माइनस 0 इंटू माइनर ऑफ दैट, ये अगर डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे तो भी चलेगा, है ना, क्योंकि ये उसके साथ वाले 0 इंटू समथिंग मीन्स 0 ही होता है. ओके, तो लास्ट एंट्री इज माई 3. So plus minus. So for 3 we have minus into 3 and the minor of that 3 will be 4 minus 3 1, 3 1 2, 0 minus 4 0. If you solve these two term, because middle two terms will be 0. So if you solve this, then you have the solution like this: minus 3 into this one, minus 1. Okay, determinant of I find separately for the 3 minus 3 1 2 1 2 1 4 0 7 and 4 3 minus 1 3 1 2 and 0 minus 4 separately. So you can understand very well. So the answer for that is minus 37. Then second for 3 cross 3 matrix is 20. And if you substitute in our original matrix form, so we have 2 into minus 3 into 20. And if you solve, then we have minus 137 solution. Okay, this is the perfect answer for your given matrix. Okay. Is there any doubt? Yes, minus 134 is there. Yes, any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. जिसको भी ये minus 134 के अलावा आंसर आया है, please look at here. I repeat it. Okay, तो you can verify here. So please look at here. क्या किया मैंने यहाँ पे? मैंने स्टार्ट किया डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करने के लिए, बट आई फोकस ओनली ऑन 2 and 3 बिकॉज बोथ अदर टू वैल्यूज आर 0. So 2 into determinant of minus 3 1 2 1 2 1 minus 4 0 7. This is the minor of 2, and same way this is the minor for 3, and the sign of 3 is minus, so I put it here minus. So 2 into determinant, तो मैंने क्या किया कि ये determinant and ये determinant separately find किया. Next slide में, तो determinant of first one is nothing but minus 37 and determinant of third जो last term था उसका determinant मुझे मिल रहा है 20. Now I substitute both this value in our last equation. Okay, last equation कौन सा था? ये रहा. तो ये मेरा था minus 37 and ये था मेरा 20. If I put it here and multiply, then I have 2 into minus 37 minus 3 into 20, so minus 74 minus 60, it gives me minus 134. Okay, so any confusion in today's session?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.